Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're digging into a big one. Will AI actually replace teachers?
I mean, this question is popping up everywhere, so let's just get right to it. Okay, short answer, probably not. At least, not in most classrooms. But wait, it's more complicated. Because the real answer is that the teacher's job is about to change, like forever. So why does this question even come up? Well, AI can already do stuff that looks like teaching.
But that simple equation is missing the parts that matter most, the human stuff.
So let's give AI its report card, starting with what it's really good at right now.
It's amazing for personalized learning, whipping up quizzes, and handling all that tedious admin work.
And this is where it gets interesting. Check out this comparison. AI handles tasks, teachers handle trust.
Think about it. AI can't read the room. It can't tell when a student is silently struggling.
Right. A chatbot can be polite, sure, but it can't build a real community in a classroom. So the real future here isn't teacher versus AI, it's going to be teacher plus AI.
And in this team-up, the roles are pretty clear. The teacher handles the human stuff, AI does the grunt work.
So AI becomes this incredible prep buddy, which frees up the teacher to be a coach and mentor.
Okay, but let's talk about the elephant in the room. Could some teaching jobs actually disappear?
The answer is yeah, probably, especially in areas like standardized test prep or massive online courses. And here's the real risk. It's not that AI teaches better. It's that good enough might be seen as cheaper.
So what should you watch out for? Well, there are some clear green flags and some definite red flags.
The best way to think about it is like a calculator. It's a tool, not a replacement for your brain. All right, so what's the final takeaway here? What does this all really mean?
Simple. AI is going to replace tasks, not teachers. It's here to amplify what makes great teachers great.
Because really, this choice isn't about the technology itself. It's about what we value.
Which leaves us with one last question. What do we decide is actually good enough for our students?